Yeah, hi everyone, and welcome to 2024. So I've been thinking about what this year is going to hold for a lot of digital and tech enthusiasts. I'm going to be working on something very, very important, and that is the Druidic Academy. I've been a stalker for sorcery, novels, and all that. So I got so attached to the Druid community, or the guys that were known to hold wisdom in most of our novels and all that. So, bottom line, this year I am building a data analysis framework called the Whispering Groove. It's inspired by the Druids' methods and insights to how they, approach problem solving. And one thing that has been key to this entire scope is the fact that every time I've seen a lot of analysts deal with data, and most times it's what the data says, and that's the end. We forget that data is like nature. It's a connection of things, a collective. It's something that the numbers, the people, the environment tells a story. So every number has a story behind it. And what are we saying? Let us move away from just exploring the data to understanding the context, to be able to build that narrative that the data actually says. So think about it. These days, the first or some of the first AI data analysts are being ChatGPT, for instance, Google Bard. And what they're doing is just basic analysis. What they do is analyze your text and give you something out of what they understand. But you that understand the context, what do? You refine, you talk to it, you tell it, no, this is not what I mean, this is how it is. And that is what analysis really means. It has a very, very key way to tell you or tell people what exactly they need to know. And making the wrong decision can go a long way to affect what you're doing. So, my bottom line is, let us build or transform that analysis mindset and build a whispering groove. So the idea is listen, listen, and listen. And 2024 is going to be a great year. I'm going to be releasing a lot of frameworks, a lot of courses. We're going to be doing just spatial analysis. We're going to be doing data analysis. Towards the end of the year, we're going to do a lot of ML and predictive analytics. And those are things that I really want us to understand. And so we're going to be engaged really this year. I'm going to be launching my website, Ibukunoluwa.ng, and we're going to have several things, blogs or courses. We're going to have so many things we're going to be dealing with. And from time to time, every week, I'm going to post a new article of my insight, my learnings for that particular week. One thing is Coursera is giving out a free, 50% off their yearly subscription. The link is in the description below, and I hope that you're gonna have a great one. It's could be a very, very key step for you in building a new life. So know that tech is not always just about coding. It's more than that. It's digital tools. It's providing solutions. So for me, I've always seen tech as, how do we provide solutions? How do we help solve the problem? One of the things I learned from one of my former bosses, he used to say that at the time the whole was made, it was the best technology at the time. So the whole was not anything that had to do with coding or stuff. It had to do with someone looking at what can we do to make farming better. And all they did was, let's get a wood, let's create a small circle and just call the hole, and it helped till the ground better. So we're going to tech, UI, product designers, product managers. We have the graphic designers. We have people that know how to create presentations. Think of the skills you have and see how it can be used to solve problems. And we're going to tech. Okay, so we're going to transform how we think about tech in 2024, and I'm very, very positive that it's going to be a great one for all of us. Happy New Year and see you in 2024.